home a new puppy is an exciting experience, but it can also be challenging. Puppies need a lot of attention, love, and care to develop into well-behaved and happy adult dogs. Proper training is essential in shaping your puppy's behavior and ensuring they become a well-adjusted member of your family. In this video, we'll go over essential tips and tricks to help you train your new pup. 1. Start with basic commands. One of the first things you'll want to teach your new puppy is basic commands such as sit, stay, come, and down. These commands are the foundation for all other training and will help you establish a relationship with your puppy based on trust and respect. Use positive reinforcement techniques such as treats and praise to encourage your puppy to follow your commands. 2. Be consistent. Consistency is key when it comes to training your puppy. Use the same commands and techniques every time you train to avoid confusing your puppy. Make sure all family members are on the same page and using the same commands and methods to avoid conflicting messages. 3. Keep training sessions short. Puppies have short attention spans, so keep training sessions short and frequent. Aim for 5-10-minute sessions a few times a day rather than one long session. This will help keep your puppy engaged and prevent them from becoming bored or frustrated. 4. Socialization. Socialization is crucial for your puppy's development. Expose your puppy to different people, animals, and environments from a young age. This will help them become well-adjusted and confident adult dogs. Take your puppy for walks, to the park, and to puppy classes to socialize with other dogs. 5. Crate training. Crate training is an excellent way to provide your puppy with a safe and secure space to rest and relax. Introduce your puppy to the crate gradually and make it a positive experience by placing treats and toys inside. Never use the crate as punishment or leave your puppy inside for extended periods. 6. Potty training. Potty training is one of the most important aspects of training your new puppy. Set up a routine for taking your puppy outside to go to the bathroom and use positive reinforcement to encourage good behavior. Consistency is key, and it may take several weeks or even months for your puppy to be fully potty trained. 7. Avoid punishment. Avoid using physical punishment or yelling at your puppy as it can damage your relationship and cause fear and anxiety. Instead, use positive reinforcement techniques such as treats, praise, and playtime to encourage good behavior. Training your new puppy is a journey that requires patience, consistency, and lots of love. Use these essential tips and tricks to help you train your puppy and develop a strong bond with them. Remember, every puppy is unique, and it may take some trial and error to find the right training methods for your furry friend. With dedication and commitment, you can raise a happy and well-behaved dog.